Hello, this is Bhope. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, I did my undergrad at the Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, and I took Vidyalankar's AdmitAbroad services for both GRE, TOEFL, and counseling. I have received an admit at the University of Southern California in the MS program, MS in ECE with specialization in machine learning and data science program. To tell you about the experience that I had with AdmitAbroad, I would first like to say that I bought both the GRE TOEFL prep and the AdmitAbroad counseling. Firstly, I like to mention that the material that they gave for GRE and TOEFL was just outstanding. The lectures, especially the verbal lectures, gave me insights to the things which we as students just commonly assume. On top of that, the online exams which were provided for them were again simply excellent. They provided us with individual topic-wise assessments to begin with, and then later on they have a set of full tests which, by the way, were very very similar in nature to the actual GRE and TOEFL exam. So for this, I genuinely give kudos to the Vidyalankar's team, with special mention to Darshana ma'am and Prakash sir. Next, I'd like to thank my counselor Siddhi Joshi, whose insights were just on point. She helped me during the admission process. Many a times I like many things like applying online, uploading documents, writing essays. It sounds easy at first, but trust me, these were real nail-biting experiences. I had a variety of doubts and questions which the entire team solved promptly and efficiently. Lastly, I would also like to thank Ameya, whose sessions proved to be an absolute eye-opener for me. So in summary, what I'll say is that AdmitAbroad didn't just help me achieve good grades in the GRE and TOEFL exam, but they also kind of helped me to micromanage the entire admission scene, helping me choose universities, write SOPs, checking my applications before submissions, and even right now is continually helping me in the visa process as well. So I like to thank Vidyalayankar for that. Thank you.